Good morning, dear friends. Welcome back to our English Fred. Okay, so dear friends, I hope you are fit and fine at your home. In previous Fred, we have talked about how the Mukesh had started the Jew, and on the last day, on the day of exhibition of the Jew, when it was going very nicely, each and everything, a sudden mess was there, and then what had happened with the Jew. Okay, so now after getting and understanding the story, it's a time to solve exercise and to evaluate how much we have understood. Okay, so let's start understanding what we read. Okay, so please open page number 70, and here we are going to do a write T for true or F for false in front of the following statements. Alright. Now we have some statements from the story. If it is true, we have to write in front of it in the book itself true or F or false. Okay. So let's see. The first statement is Mukesh was dazzled by the colorful birds. Okay, so yes, when he was in the zoo, he was dazzled, he was surprised by the, so it's a true. So please mention here true. Alright, then second, he was charmed by the reptiles. Okay, he was charmed by the reptiles. No. Okay, so please mention here second number false. Alright, then number 3, he was awestruck by the big cats. Surprise. Okay, shock. Yes, it's true. Alright. Then he was charmed by the gibbons and chimps. Number 4. He was charmed by the gibbons and chimps at the Delhi Zoo. Okay, so it's true. Okay. Then number 5. Dolly wanted to start a zoo in Dehradun. So, did Dolly want to start a zoo? No, it's false. So, please mention here false. Okay, you can write yep or T also. Okay. Number 6, Mukesh caught the gecko. जो lizard था gecko, उसको मुकेश ने पकड़ा था. No, it's false. Okay. Then Teju was made the head keeper of the zoo. तेजू को हेड कीपर ऑफ द जू बनाया गया था. सो इट्स ट्रू. ओके. देन नंबर 8, तेजू वाज श्योर दैट हिज ग्रैंडमदर वुड लेंड देम अ पैरोट. सो एकदम सही बात है. तेजू श्योर थी कि दादी उसको दे देगी. ओके, सो ट्रू. ओके, सो इन दिस वे डियर स्टूडेंट्स वी हैव कंप्लीटेड ट्रू और फॉल्स फ्रॉम द textbook and the story. Okay, now question number B is there. Answer the following questions, but dear students, we will do these question answers in the next period. Okay, so but then move to the question number C. Answer the following in 1 or 2 words or phrases. Okay, very short answer questions, dear friends. We have to do all these questions answers into book itself with the pencil. You have to take your pencil and you have to solve, you have to write down the answers in this book itself. Okay, so very short answers. The first question is who was allowed in free. So who was allowed in free in the zoo? That is small children. Okay, allowed in free. Okay, बाकियों को तो 50 पैसा फीस थी. Number second, what was the price of a ticket? Okay, so price of ticket is 50 paisa each, means हर एक व्यक्ति को 50 पैसा. Okay, how many adults came to the zoo? Okay, उनके पास 10 रुपये जमा हुए थे, कलेक्ट हुए थे, 10 rupees. It means that they have how many adults? Adults means बड़े लोग. ओके, 20 people. ओके, 20 adults. Where was तेजू's grandmother that afternoon? उस आफ्टरनून को तेजू की ग्रैंडमदर कहाँ गई थी? So she was in the temple. All right. How much money did the children collect? Yes, they collected 10 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees. Then where did the black dog want to go? Black dog जो था वाइल्ड येलोइश आइज वाला, वो कहाँ जाना चाहता था? He wanted to go to the rabbit. Alright, to the rabbit. कितने शॉर्ट आंसर्स है, isn't it? Where did the parrot go once it got free? जब वो फ्री हो गया तो वो कहाँ गया? To the nearby orchard. Okay, to the nearby orchard. Okay. Who was Koki? Koki was Teju's, apostrophe Teju's sister. Okay, so got it, dear friends? I hope you have understood all these words and my handwriting as well. So please complete all these question answers and learn it well, remember it well. Okay, then now move to the next page number 71, question number E. D. Think and answer these questions. We are not going to, these are the questions, answers, question and answers for discussion. So let's do E. Now that you have read, enjoyed and understood the lesson, match the following to find out the meaning of each words. So dear friends, while explaining and while learning story, I have explained each and every word. Now let's find out their meanings, okay, and match with their words, correct meaning. Okay, so what is the meaning of fascinated? Okay, number one is fascinated. So what is the meaning of fascinated? Here just find out. So fascinated means attracted as it was something not seen every day. मतलब जो हर दिन हमें नहीं दिखती, ऐसी एक आध दिन दिखने वाली चीज़ों की तरफ आकर्षित होना. Okay, so that is the option D. So what is the correct answer? D. Fascinated means attracted as it was something not seen every day. Then awestruck, again awestruck का भी मीनिंग दोस्तों करीब करीब सेम ही होता है. awestruck, okay, बहुत ही सरप्राइज होना, शॉक हो जाना. Okay, so awestruck means admired, respected and even feared the beauty of. किसी चीज को देखकर आश्चर्यचकित होना, उसकी तारीफ भी करना, और कभी कभी कुछ चीज़ ऐसी होती है जो भयानक होती है, तो ऐसी भी चीज़ें हो सकती है. सो एडमायर्ड. ओके जी, ऑस्ट्रक मीन्स एडमायर्ड, रिस्पेक्टेड एंड इवन फियर्ड द ब्यूटी ऑफ समथिंग. देन पोल्ट्री, यस पोल्ट्री, इट इज़ वेरी वेरी common word, poultry. Okay, so it's a farm birds like hens, ducks, turkeys and geese. So answer is J. Okay, so please mention it in your book. Jaundice, actually dear friends, jaundice, it is a kind of disease. Okay, it is a kind of disease. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? Oh yes, when the white part of the eyes and the skin turn yellow due to disease, so that is called jaundice. In our language we called it pedia. Okay, so option EL is there. Occasionally, occasionally means बहुत ही कम बार, कभी कभार, once in a while. So option A is there. Occasionally means rarely, once in a while. Appropriately, appropriately मतलब एकदम correctly. Okay, appropriately, so एकदम correctly means properly. Okay, so option K is there. Then number 7, generously, generously. Okay, means खुले दिल से, खुले स्वभाव से, काइंडनेस से. ओके, किसी के लिए भी कुछ करना दया भाव से, काइंडनेस. सो दिस इज द अनसेल्फिशली रेडी टू गिव थिंग्स और मनी टू अदर्स, दैट इज द जनरसनेस. ओके, उदारवाद. बी, असॉर्टमेंट. ओके, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ असॉर्टमेंट? यहाँ पर असॉर्टमेंट मतलब जो बहुत सारे लिजार्ड्स उन्होंने जमा किए थे. अ वेराइटी ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ लिजार्ड्स हियर मीन्स इन दिस स्टोरी मीनिंग ऑफ. ओके, सो एफ इज द आंसर. पैनिक स्ट्रिकन मतलब अफरा तफरी करने वाला. ओके, ओके, सो पैनिक स्ट्रिकन. ओके, सो बिहेविंग स्ट्रेंजली ड्यू टू ग्रेट फियर, डर के मारा. ओके, घबराया हुआ. सो सी, बिहेविंग स्ट्रेंजली ड्यू टू ग्रेट फियर. देन शॉर्ट साइटेड, ग्रैंड माँ वाज शॉर्ट साइटेड, शॉर्ट साइटेड मीन्स कम दिखने वाले, ओके, जिनको कम दिखता है, शॉर्ट साइटेड। सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज नॉट बीइंग एबल टू सी थिंग्स दैट आर फार अवे, दूर की चीज़ें जिनको प्रॉपरली नहीं दिखती, ओके, दैट इज शॉर्ट साइटेड। स्वेरिंग, स्वेरिंग यस, स्वेरिंग मतलब बैड वर्ड्स का यूज़ करना, ओके, सो दैट इज दैट पैरट वाज डूइंग, न्यू पैरट, स्वेरिंग यूजिंग बैड वर्ड्स। एंड रेमेडिट, रेमेडिट मतलब किसी चीज़ को सुधारना, ओके, दैट इज द सॉर्टेड आउट समथिंग दैट हैड गॉन रॉन्ग, मतलब गलत चीज़ को सुधारना, सॉर्टेड आउट, ओके, सो दैट इज रेमेडिट, ओके। सो आई होप डियर स्टूडेंट्स यू हैव अंडरस्टूड these words meanings clearly. Learn these words and do study at your home.